Okay, so now we are on to our final case study. So this is the final case study before the two big case studies at the very end. So this one, we are going to use an AI tool, whatever AI tool you want to use. I'm going to use ChatGPT, and we are going to have the AI tool create some code for us. What we have here are a bunch of different ticker symbols, the 52-week low, the high, the current price, the percent change, and the PE ratio for these different stocks. What we want the code to do is to go through all of the stocks, check the PE ratio, and if it's below 35, color the cell green. If it's above 60, color it red, and everything else should be yellow. So that's what we're going to do. So go ahead and use an AI tool that you would like to use. Like I said, I'm going to use ChatGPT and give it a prompt. And you can probably use most of this, what's right here, as a prompt, but you need to be more specific than that. Give it a prompt and then run the code and see if it actually worked. So before you go on, go ahead and do that. And then when you're ready, go to the next video where I will do it as well.